81% of Americans are actively trying to improve their credit score post-pandemic because it's a new frontier for a lot of people. But they want to improve their credit score because maybe they want to buy a house, maybe they want to buy a car, or they just realize that credit is an important metric in their financial milestones. So if you're looking to improve your credit, one of the things that you can do is look for a card with benefits, because a credit card can be a valuable tool on your financial journey. One of those benefits could be no annual fee. Another benefit that you want to look for is a competitive APR. One of the great things about the Chase Slate Edge is it does not have an annual fee. It has an APR that is designed to go down 2% annually, as well as automatic credit limit increases with a minimum spend and 6 months of on-time payments. Credit cards can be a valuable tool, but you also want to make sure that you're using credit wisely, that you're making those on-time payments, because a 30-day late can drop your credit score 100 points, and that is significant. And we're thinking about checking our credit report. You also want to make sure you're taking advantage of free tools available to you. One of the tools I love is the Chase Credit Journey tool. It's a free tool that is available to individuals even if they are not a Chase credit card holder, and that allows you to get your credit report. It allows you to get alerts if there are any changes to your credit report, as well as will give you personalized recommendations to help you build and improve your credit score. And lastly, I just want to say, find ways to hold yourself accountable, whether that's an online community, whether that's a spouse or a sibling. Find ways to hold yourself accountable when it comes to your financial goals. Do what you said you would do with your money, as well as remember that it takes time. A lot of times we can get impatient, but we have to remember that we didn't get into financial trouble overnight, and it's not going to happen overnight, but small wins lead to big changes. You can find more about the Chase Slate Edge at creditcards.chase.com, as well as the Chase Credit Journey tool there.